To Your Health, where we talk to local health leaders to help you feel better, live better, and be better.
Hi, and welcome to Your Health. It is enrollment season, which brings on questions, and luckily we have Aaron Wallender here from Northern Advantage Insurance, a licensed Medicare specialist, and your customer, Robert. So going through this brings up a lot of questions. What do you remember about starting the process of making Medicare selections with Aaron?
Well, I remember being very nervous at the start of it. This was a whole new world for me, and my wife. We were both, I think, a little on edge, but Aaron made it very painless and also very educational. A lot of different options that you have out there, so it helps to have somebody who knows their way around, so you don't get yourself into a spot there maybe that's not going to be beneficial to you in the long run.
Excellent. What's something about Medicare that you learned from Aaron that you didn't know previously?
I found out that there were a lot of things that were going to be available to you that I wasn't aware of. I thought I was going to have to pay for those, and that's like prescriptions that are pretty common. You can get for next to nothing through some of those plans that are out there. Also, just for your long-term health benefits, there are some things you can take advantage of as well.
Were you surprised by some of those benefits that are available to you at
Yeah,
no charge?
very pleasantly surprised. So that always makes it a more fun experience when you're not thinking to yourself, okay, this is going to cost me X, Y, and Z here for the rest of my life.
Exactly. Now, Aaron, tell us what it was like to work with Robert and his wife when they were first making all these selections.
Yeah, it was really a thorough process. You know, Robert and his wife had some, pretty in-depth questions. We went through a lot of different scenarios and got to the root of what they were looking for in terms of health benefits, prescription drugs, ancillary coverage, like Robert mentioned, healthy gym membership type things and that sort of thing. So, at the end of the day, we settled on a plan that really worked for their situation and helped them transition from what they had previously.
Yep. And every year there's changes to the plans, and you're making these selections every year. You guys have been working together for a few years now. What would you say to somebody who's trying to make these selections on their own without the help of an agent?
Yeah, it's going to be a maze, like walking through a really involved maze without somebody to hold your hand, so to speak, and let you know what's out there and maybe steer you in the right direction based on your family structure.
So it's really nice to get all those questions answered by a local licensed specialist. Give Northern Advantage Insurance a call. If you have any questions, you can always scan the QR code and go directly to the website or give them a call. The number's on your screen.
The preceding was a paid advertisement.